The teacher toolkits have been really helpful. Our computing leads use them in order to break down the curriculum, help progression and help structure it for staff who maybe aren't as confident.
The toolkit's been enormously helpful, right from the subject audit through to how to manage an action plan. There are lots of things there that have been helpful.
The audit function is very useful. More and more we're accountable for the time we're out of class and what we do. And obviously as budgets get tighter, we need to make sure we are getting value for money. And obviously that enables me to see how things go and make those judgments whether we're going to buy this or do that, because it will have implications school-wide.
The progression document, obviously we have our own school format for progression document, but without that being there as my basis, that would have been quite a challenging and time-consuming task to do that from scratch.
Being a subject leader is a really big role, and I guess anything that's going to help you save time and have a kind of an overview of how you want to do things is going to be beneficial. Getting the idea of pupil voice and also giving surveys to the adults within the school, both supporting and also teachers, has been really helpful to think about getting their points of view of their confidence in lessons and learning, also the pupil enjoyment, which means I can obviously keep an eye on what we need to do to make that do better.
The pupil voice surveys, the teacher survey and support staff survey are all very helpful. The pupil voice survey, I developed that, used it for 3-year groups using to survey, and for year 6 I used it on Teams. I converted it into a Microsoft form, and then everybody was able to do it for homework rather than just interviewing a few children during the school day. So I had a much wider response, and so you get a better idea of what children are doing and what they like and what they don't like about computing.